$800,000. That's how much the United States economy generates every single second. Not per hour, not per day, per second. By the time this sentence ends, America just made another 4 million. But here's the weird part. This same country is also $34 trillion in debt. So how does that even work? Where does all this money come from? Where does it go? And is the US actually rich or secretly broke? Let's break it down. First, the big picture. The US economy, measured by GDP, is worth around $27 trillion a year. That number is so big it stops meaning anything, so let's shrink it. 27 trillion a year is about 74 billion a day, 3 billion an hour, and yes, around $800,000 every second. To put that in perspective, in 1 second, the US economy produces more value than the average American worker earns in 15 years. And America is just one country out of nearly 200. It alone makes up about a quarter of the entire global economy. China is second at around 18 trillion. Germany third at 4. The gap is massive. So where does all this money actually come from? People imagine factories and oil, but that's not the American story anymore. Roughly 77% of the US economy is services. That means software, banking, insurance, healthcare, Hollywood, consulting, logistics. The stuff you can't hold in your hands. Manufacturing is about 11%. Cars, planes, weapons, semiconductors. Still huge in absolute terms, just smaller than people think. Agriculture? Barely 1% of GDP. And yet, the US is the biggest food exporter on the planet. That's how productive American farms are. Then there are the giants. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia. Each one is worth more than the entire economy of most countries. Apple alone has been valued higher than the entire GDP of France. Think about that. One company, bigger than France. One more fun fact. If California were its own country, it would be the 5th largest economy in the world. Bigger than the UK, bigger than India, just one US state. Okay, so the US earns a lot. But where does all that money go? Washington spends around $6.1 trillion a year. Here is the breakdown. Number 1, Social Security, about 21%. That's retirement checks for tens of millions of Americans. Number 2, Healthcare, Medicare and Medicaid, around 24%. Together, these two eat up almost half the entire federal budget. Number 3, the military, around 13% or $820 billion a year. That's more than the next 10 countries combined. China, Russia, India, the UK, Germany. Add them all up, and the US still spends more. Number 4, this one is wild, interest on the national debt. 13% and climbing fast. The government is on track to spend more just paying interest on its debt than on its entire military. Let that sink in. The rest goes to education, infrastructure, science, veterans, and everything else a government does. Which brings us to the elephant in the room. $34 trillion. That's the US national debt. If you split it evenly, every single American, including newborns, owes about $102,000. And that number goes up every second. So who does America owe? Surprise, mostly itself. The biggest holders of US debt are American institutions: Social Security, the Federal Reserve, pension funds, banks. Only about a quarter is owned by foreign countries, and the top holders are Japan, China, and the United Kingdom. Why does the debt keep growing? Simple math. Since 2001, the US government has spent more than it collected in taxes every single year. Wars, tax cuts, pandemic stimulus, all paid with borrowed money. So the final question, is America rich or secretly broke? Honestly, both. The US is the richest country in human history. It also carries the largest debt in human history. How does it get away with it? One word, the dollar. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency. Global oil, global trade, global savings, most of it runs on dollars. And America is the only country that can print them. That gives the US a superpower no other country has. It can borrow in its own currency and the world keeps lending. But that superpower isn't unlimited. If trust in the dollar ever cracks, the whole game changes. For now, America keeps printing, keeps spending, keeps earning $800,000 a second, and keeps rewriting the rules of global money. So that's the USA by the numbers. Richest, most indebted, most powerful economy on Earth.